Okay, so today we going to look over the search method. First one. So what are you getting from the term search? Please speak fast. What is the use of search in
Means
the real scenario?
if
Means
any array or
don't go programming. Okay,
okay,
don't go
search in the
programming.
sense
Go in the real.
okay,
Yeah,
search in the sense whatever we are going to search that things is available, it will be give the result.
correct. So suppose we are doing like a Google Map. In Google Map, we are searching some location. If we searched and if the location is available, then sure we will get some result. So that is the process of search. Same thing here we will do. We will search something, and if the result is available, okay, then we will get the output. Otherwise, we will not get the output. So let's see. A12, 1 second. Sorry, it will be mistake otherwise. We completed 2 months of course. 8th January we had started, and now it's 9th March. 1 day extra. Okay, so search. And where is the file? Open with live server. Yeah. So with the help of search, so how it will work? Let's see. So first, a string last index of means suppose you have to search something last index, first index like that. So let's just tell me the position. So yesterday we had seen that we can take the each value, means we can split, we can convert into uppercase, lowercase. Tell me how to get length. How to get length?
Yes, sir. With the help of variable length
str
and
dot
dot
length.
length, we are going to give, sir.
So do one thing. We will do one thing. Let and where otherwise str length length
equal to str
yeah
dot
one
length.
1 second. Yeah, length equal to, and what is the variable name? Str dot length. Don't take this means yeah length property. And is this function or directly, means is this method or just
This is method.
Yes, sir.
this will be like that?
No,
And now
sir.
go
No,
with
sir.
the console.
Console.
So go with console str length. Fine. Let's save and let's check our output. So what we got output, let's see. Now we got length equal to 36. What I want to check some index, means where this locate word is available. Okay, like that we want to search. So there is one method. What is that? Str dot index of str. Why I taking str? What is this one actually? Shweta?
Variable
Yeah,
name, sir.
that is variable name, correct? So
Yes, sir.
take one variable more here. Let sarch search data. Fine. Search data equal to, and now pass that thing in console. Let's do console search data and save. What happened? What we got? B got 7. 7 in the sense what? It given you.
The locate will be started at 11th place.
Yeah, so it will search for this place, locate. Okay, and it giving you index of, it will search from which index it started. So let's see that position first. What is the position?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
0. Oh, sorry. 2, 3,
Sir.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. Now see, what is the position of that one? L. L in the sense a start index. It will give you a starting index. So from where that locate word started? From the 7. Got it? So that's why we had got a locate is a output is here 7. Clear? Anyone having doubt? Tell me. Yeah. Okay. Next. So index of, the index of method returns the index of, see, index of the position of the first occurrence of a specified text in a string. Means whatever first letter will be match. Who is on mute? So whatever first letter, check recording is going on. So whatever first letter it will match, it will give you the position of that one. Fine. Like we had search locate. So in the case of locate, it will match for the first letter L. So from where the first letter L started, it started from the 7th position. So that's why we get the output as 7. Clear? Next is the last index of. So it will check last index.
Sir,
Last index means,
one time again,
yeah.
sir.
Okay. So see, what it going to do? It will search index of. Index means the position. It will means search. Which position? It will search from where the it going to match. Means it will take the L. Okay. It not going to match this completely. No, so it will return the first matching from where the first match will start. So first is L. From where the L is. L is on 7th position. Correct. In this one, because 7,
Yes, sir.
8, 9. 8, 9, then 10, then 11, something.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Got it.
Got it.
So it
Yeah,
will
sir, got
return the first matching only. So what is the first matching? First match means L. So where the L is matching? L matching on the 7th position. Got
Yeah.
it? It will not give you complete. Clear? So next.
Yes, sir.
So next is last index of. Wait. Yeah. So let last last data index index data pass this. Fine. So last index of, what is the name of a string? Means the complete. What is the variable?
str dot
STR.
str. So we will take str dot. Now check, is there any last index method available? So see, we got last
yes, sir,
index.
in the bottom. No, sir, in the bottom.
Yeah. last last index of. Now I don't know whether we have to pass semicolon, means it is like property or method. Put cursor. Let's see what you getting message. It's a method. Method in the sense which type?
Braces.
Last, see this braces
Curly
started,
braces.
correct?
Yes.
And something
Yes.
it's giving that what it asking, give the search a string, which string you want to search. Got it? It will asking you search a string. Let's say pass that. So search a string. Which string I want? I want where, WHERE. Got it? And now check that value. Just 1 second.
So it will be give last position of that.
Yeah, so it will give you last position, last data. Let's save and let's check. Last index. Let's see what we got output. Output is 14. Let's check where is the 14. So this is your, oh my God, what happened? Okay, 9. This become 7, 8, 9. This become 9. Fine. 10, 11, 12, 13. It's become 14. So why it given 14? What we have written wrong? 14. From where it's searching? So the last, Divani mute. Last index method return the index of the last occurrence of a specified text in a string. It's fine, but why it's rotated? Is there any more where? No. Let's check this one. Locate itself. str dot last index of.
Sir,
Fine. Let's, yeah.
comment 6, line number 6.
Line number 6. Yeah. Comment that will be fine. It will give otherwise confusion. So it given 21. Some mistake we had done.
No, sir,
Compare.
it's right. Last locate is line number 21. Na? You take 2 locate. Please locate where
Yes.
locate.
Sir, look.
Okay, okay. 1 second. Let me take where then. WHERE.
Then it
And let's
also
save.
right, sir, line number 40. Yes, sir, right.
It given 14. But what are we getting there?
But we getting
The-
last value. Now it won't become 14. 14, 14 in the sense W.
14 in the
Yes,
sense
sir, take
we gave getting 1 second. Line number 10. Okay. Comment this line also. It giving 14. Okay. 1 second. 10 line number fine. Last data. str dot last index of where. So where is at, where is here, okay, and it giving 14. So 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, it's 14. It is giving the same type actually. That's as like a starting index. Let's see here what
But
they had written.
But
Something.
we need that result, that position of E.
Yeah, that it
Because
have to show. 1 second. Last index. Okay. 1 second. Let's see here. So the last index method return the index of the last occurrence of a specified text in a string. Fine. So here, let's see what they had done. They giving 20. Something mistake is going on. Okay, okay, got it, got it. What they're doing? Last index in the sense, see, locate value is 2 time. Fine. It will search and
yes,
give the
sir.
second one. Got it? For the second position, it will. And now it give, we have only where only one time. Let's copy this where and pass one more time. Now it will give you the last index value. Means the second value. See, 29. Got it? Previously, we was getting 14 only. So here in this
sir,
case, if you,
it is going to compare the whole world.
yeah, means a complete this sentence itself, and where it will get means not, it will not compare completely. Once it got where one time, it will search for the another where. Okay, and it will give you last index. Suppose this was not there. Okay, there is no any extra where. Then what it will do? For this is the last one because there is only one. If only one means
Yeah,
this
that's
is
why
the
it
first and
comes
last.
14 position.
Yeah, so that's why it was coming the same. But here in case of locate, it giving that second one. right here. It will check second occurrence. It will check second occurrence.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, suppose
Yeah.
I have to search that particular letter, then what we have to do? This is the searching of word,
No.
but if
Yeah,
you
it's
go
a
for
searching
particular
word.
letter,
We will come on that also. Don't worry. That we have to do for loop and those things. Okay. So this way we can search last index. If that index will not found, then what will happen? Now see, we searching something. And if that value is not there, we searching locate. Remove this locate and pass something data. If data is not available, your result will be -1. Clear? So whenever you searching anything like if condition itself, you are comparing, means inside any condition, you can compare like this way, that if data is not there, then it will be -1. Result will be -1. Clear? When it will be. Had you got this one? It's very simple.
yeah,
If data, yeah,
yes.
whatever value we are searching, if that value is not available, it will not give you that value is not available. Okay, like we are searching Ramu, but Ramu is not there. It will give you -1. When you will not get the search result. When search text will not, please note down along it. Okay, don't wait that you will watch video, then you have to know. When search text will not available, then result will be, sorry,
-1.
-1. Clear? So when we will search, if we not found, result will be -1. Okay. So this way we can search not available value also. Next, when we are searching, see, locate is there. It's a searching John. Okay. And in this line, John is not available. So what will be the result? What will be output?
-1.
It will
-1.
be give -1. Fine. Let's see another one. See, these all are very important method. Okay, please concentrate completely. Don't think that's it's a just a time pass. No. We will use these all things in the upcoming week. Because in upcoming week we will start programming. Okay, so what we going to do here, we going to start index of, okay, where is that dot, I start, sorry, index of, see, in previously what we had done in the case of index of, we had just pass value like locate or something. Okay, and it was checking that in the matching one, correct or not? We was just passed the value,
Yes,
and it
yes.
was checking, and it was giving a result something. Let's see. So we was getting 7, but here we will do one thing. We will pass one more parameter. Okay, let's say put cursor first. Where is the string index of? And let's say get that complete method information after this one. What is the line? This one. Just read somewhat. String dot. See, understand from there itself. Index of search a string. We already passed that index like locate and this that. After that, one comma is there. Fine. After that, a comma is there. Up to here, we had cleared. Correct or not? Second condition. After comma, there is one something written position, and there is one interrogative sign. Interrogative sign in the sense optional. In the exam or anywhere, you will see that optional is written. Optional in the sense it's not compulsory. If you want, you can write. If you not want, you can left that. That's the thing. So position is optional. What is the means of position? It will now what you doing? Whatever text we had passed, like locate, it start searching the locate where in my complete string, and where it getting the first match. First match in the sense locate L letter is there, and in the text L letter is there. So it will return the result. But what I want, I not want that it start searching from the starting. I want to give some position from where that it will start searching. Like I want that just start from 2. Okay, it will search from the 2 and search. See that we got 7. What's fine? Now see, it's up to 7. Do one thing. Pass
How it
that.
gets to 7, sir?
1 second. That's already because it not searching from here, but it already L is on 7th position itself. L is already on the 7. Now we start searching on 9. Let's see what happened. You getting now 21. Can tell anyone how? What happened here? See what happened. Previously we was searching this one, correct or not? We was searching just locate and it was giving the result. It was 7. Why? Because the first match in the sense letter L, correct or not? It was searching, it
Yes,
was match,
sir.
it got that letter L at 7th position. See this. At 7th position, L is there. So it given the result as L. Now I telling don't search from 7th letter. I start search from after 7 or 9 something. I passing the position. I passing here 9, pass comma there, and just start searching. So what happened? It start searching from 9. 9 in the sense
Means,
8,
sir,
9.
after 9. After
Yeah.
9.
So it start searching from here, and where it got? It got this one. That's why it returning 21. If you will do last index of, then you will get the same value. 21
Got it, sir,
itself.
got it.
Everyone got or not?
Means it will be search after 9, not before 9.
I going to do last index of and pass locate. And what is the last index of locate? Locate. Locate. Let's save. What we got? We got same thing 21. But what we by doing? We was searching index of. Fine. And we was giving that index locate and pass something like a 20. Okay. On 21 it's getting fine. Let's start from 22. Let's see what we getting. What happened? -1 because we not get the value. What is the reason? Can anyone explain?
Because
Shweta?
values are only 21th.
Sir,
Because
search
After
egg will not
yeah.
available, but
counting value.
Correct.
Third
So
not available.
when it starts searching, it reached up to here L. It is at 21.
21.
L. Correct. Who is on mute?
Then after giving a minus value.
ये बाहर कौन खोल रहा है दरवाजा? 1 second. Yeah. So at 21 position, L is available. So that's why we getting that. See, if I will pass here nothing, we will get 21 because L second match is at position L. Sorry. Second match is position at 21. Do that. Now pass 22. Means I telling start searching from 22. But 21 having L. 22 not having. That's why we getting error. Clear? Means we getting -1. If you will start here from 21, let's see. We got that 21 because on 21 it's matching and there itself it starts searching. Clear? Everyone? So the second parameter is optional. So in interview, they will ask you the question, what is the difference between, can anyone tell the question? Who was giving the same result? Index of, and one more.
Last
Index.
No, sir. Index of position and position. Did you see?
Index of, suppose you passed here something Okay, like
Location and
locate,
position.
and you writing the same thing versus this one,
And position.
comma 2. Give anything. Okay, this is the question. What is the meaning of this line? If we pass index of locate and if we pass index of locate comma 21, what both are doing?
Sir,
So this 21
sir,
one second. So 21 containing the position of the from where you telling to search, means position of a start searching. You can tell like this. Got it? Yeah, Abhishek, tell.
clear, sir.
Clear? Okay. So this way we can tell that this will only, there is no any define, means there is no any position that from where it will start searching. There is no any defined position. But in the second case, we going to define the position that you have to search, but from where? From the position number 21. Clear? So that is the thing. Next, search method. Now come to the search. This one, everyone clear or not? Yeah, I think Dharmender, you're telling something. एट कमेंट कर दो भाई से script 9 is not there. Wait 1 second. Let me _search.js. I think there is no any issue in the case of search, means index of and last index those case. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell.
Sir, locate is there na? It's containing a full or only a starting L, sir. You can
Starting
see.
L. It containing only L, starting position. See here itself we had told in the starting. See the first occurrence. Got it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Means the first letter. It will not check the second and those. So next is the search method. Okay. So what it will do? Let's see. It going to search. So let remove this string. Okay, fine. And str.search of. Let's take this. Oh, yeah. So str. So how to search? Now just see. So what we had taken? We had taken one string, a string dot search, and inside search we had passed which string we want to search. Now let's see that what is the output. So output is 7. What are you getting from this one? It's a look like same type, correct? It's coming from 9, means this file itself. So had you realized any difference in the index of and search?
Same, sir.
Yes, yeah.
It's like same, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
because we are going to pass 2 parameters.
Yeah. 1 second. It's like a same itself. There is no any changes, but change will come. Just hold on. Picture abhi baki hai. Yeah. So what is there? Did you notice that two method index of and search are equal? Fine. They accept the same argument parameter and return the same value. Clear? Same thing we had done. See, in the case of index also we got the output as 7, and in the case of search also we got output 7. Next line. The two methods are not equal. These are the differences. Difference like the search method cannot take a second start position argument. Got it? Is this line clear? So in the case of search method, we will not pass the second argument. Let's pass that. Pass 20. Previously we was passing like take 9, and let's save. Will it working or giving error? So it starts searching from 7 itself. Means pass 21. Sorry, 22. Let's save. What you got output? We not get any output. But do same thing
Yeah.
with the index of. Just 1 second. Do the same thing with index of.
Then you will get -1 result.
We will get -1. Correct? Means when it was searching, it was not getting the value. What was the method, Shweta? Index
Sir,
of. Now see, in the case of index of, we got. In the case of index of, we got -1. Why? Because it starts searching, but it not found. But in case of search method, it not accepting that, it not giving anything. There is no any error, but it's not giving you any result. Clear? So this is the difference in the case of that. So search method, it will not accept, not ACCEPT, accept second
parameter.
Argument, you can tell, or parameter. That's it. Second argument.
Argument will be better. Yes, argument will be better.
Okay. Second argument. Fine. But in the case of a string index of, it will accept that. So no need to write like this way. Okay. So what you will write? We will write directly. We will write like this way. Fine. We got here 7, here -1. Clear? So the index of method cannot take powerful search value regular expression. Like in the case of index of, if we will pass /g/i, those regular expression, it will not work. Let it to be. Next, JavaScript string match. A string match means what? It going to take that matching one and then it will return. So let's see. Do here itself. Okay, so what we had written, can anyone explain the line of code and what it going to do? Now see, we are in that much condition that we can understand from the code itself. Tell me.
replace it.
What it will do? Sweta, go line by line. Explain each line.
Sir, first we can declare the variable and declare value and give string name. And after
Okay.
line number 15.
Okay. Yeah, line number 15. What it will do?
It
will take the complete string, correct? And
yes,
it will go for the matching dot
yes.
match method. Fine. Inside match, what we had passed, Abhishek, what is this written? Explain me each line. Vivekanand, explain each line.
That AI.
Sir, that will be replaced and searching the AIN.
Searching, sir, AIN.
No, sir.
It will start searching AIN. What is the need
AIN.
of a dash? Okay. What is the need of a this
It will.
G?
It will search all the
Sir,
terms, also all the words. Sir.
Means a globally.
Overall, yes, overall.
yeah, it will. Okay, global.
Okay. So this is a regular expression for searching globally. If you want to remove this and remove this also and remove this and make this a string and see the result will be same, but result will be something different. It is searching 1, then it giving you index 5, then input is something, that's it. Okay. It not search
Index 5
the
means that
globally.
in 5 index AIN is present.
Fifth position. See that.
Fifth. In rain, in span also, na? In mainly.
But yeah, but we had
Plan,
not.
rain.
But we had one second. But we had not searched the globally because we removed slash G.
Then
Yes, sir.
rain.
Sir,
Got it?
how does the fifth index?
What? Fifth.
Sir, how? Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
1 second. 2, 3. I telling you 4, 5. See that. 6.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Index is 5. Means like a position it given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you will search a position, then it will be give you like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this way it will go. So total index is 5 and length become only 1. It searched only 1. But do same thing by globally. How to do globally?
Slash G.
Okay. So we will
Slash
remove
G.
this pass slash and pass G. G become globally and search how many time you got. Now we got 3 time. Correct? This is not giving you index. Okay, don't worry. This become a string. Sorry, this become array. It's showing you the length. How many time it got. So where it is? One is in the rain case. Fine. One is in the span case. One is in the case of mainly. I want to do one thing. Take this line itself.
Sir, it not consider Spain case because Spain written in capital.
Yeah. Case sensitive.
Sir,
Take
So let's
the
say
rain mainly and plain.
sir,
okay,
it,
1
it
second.
would become 4 times, sir, because in plane also
Yeah.
having AIN, sir.
Okay, wait 1
No,
second.
it will come. It take rain mainly and
Yeah,
plain.
camel case.
Only
Camel
3
case can
consider.
do.
It taking
Not
this
a.
value,
Yeah.
one value this one,
Mainly,
rain, one is
mainly,
a mainly and one is a
And
plain.
and the third one is plain.
It's
Yes.
not
it's
taking
not
the span.
considering
Now
span values.
Because
wait 1
camel
second. Shivani Kumari, tell me, I want to consider this also. What code I have to add here? Abhishek, be ready. What code I have to add here for getting this also? Means 4 time. How to get?
make it open.
Make
1
a-
second. Be silent. Others. Only Shivani and Abhishek. Yeah.
Inside a match,
Inside match.
after G,
After G.
make a again
Which one?
backslash,
Slash.
and is write a AIN capital,
A-I. Oh. A-I-N.
again backslash
Backslash.
G.
G.
No.
G. Okay. Fine. Abhishek, is this correct? Let's say you get the error.
Yes,
You got the error. Okay. You telling comma where?
Yeah.
After G.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Let's see. You get the error. Oh, no error. Okay. But the result is same. Only 3. We have to get 4. Abhishek, tell me. Vivekanand, after this, be ready. Tell the answer. Fast. Abhishek, what happened? He's here or not? Yeah. Abhishek, are you sleeping? Time is 8 o'clock. He is silent mode completely. Vivekanand, where he is? Vivekanand left. Oh my God. No, he is there. Vivekanand, tell the answer. If you're not speaking, go out. Sleep. Abhishek, are you there or you will also kick out? He will also go. Yeah. Now tell. Roshan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Be careful.
Yeah.
If sound will not come, you will be go out. Okay. So I wanted this span also. Tell me how I can get here. Tell me wrong, correct. That's not the matter. But you have to
use
stick.
uppercase, I think.
No.
Uppercase
Already
properly.
she had told. Okay. Shivani, tell. Sweta. Approach.
Sir, GI.
As uppercase.
Sir,
I.
no.
One second,
full
Sweta.
why
One
GI?
second, Sweta. What are you telling?
That S begin upper.
We got
No,
four
sir.
value. See,
No,
we
sir, I
got four
can-
value because case insensitive. Shivani Kumari, Shivani Sinha. Case insensitive.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah. Yesterday we had seen this one.
Yes, sir. GI.
Yeah, sir. Today I am doubt. So Shivani
you
Sinha
told
got this.
GI
What?
used for replace.
Who told GI for replace?
It
You
will
use this
Who told?
property.
all the
IG and GI.
words, sir.
But sir, we are
No,
using match
four
method, sir.
value matching.
One
In
second.
cell.
Who telling to replace actually?
Sir, we are using match method and we are searching globally, sir.
See, Shivani, what is going here actually? We are searching match. Fine. Inside that we had pass AIN. We want this letter. Okay. If we will pass it directly, just take this. AIN. Fine. Let's see the answer. Only one time. Fine. AIN. But what I want a globally. Remove this comma and pass a backslash and pass a here also. What you want? You want a globally. Pass a G.
Replace example, you explain this
No.
property.
Yeah, we had searched it, but there we had seen, we had told that a G you have to pass for completely globally search. Okay. Next, if you want case insensitive, means
For
not capital
replace,
letter, not capital letter or a small letter. So I will pass I. Let's save. Now see, we got only how many time? Only one time, because it's not searching globally. That's why now search globally, because whatever matching came in the first place itself, it result means it given the result. It not gone for the second search. But what I want a globally. Pass G. Position will not matter whether first I or G or I. Got it? So now we got 4 time. Clear everyone or not? So do one thing. Remove this A and I and pass N. Let's see how many time you getting. See that. We got 6 time or N time. Clear? So this way we can search any particular text, character, anything inside that and
Sir,
see.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Suppose in any word there are 2 time of n, then what result will come, sir? 2
Yeah,
time
it
n
will
in
give
any
you.
word.
Let's do one thing. Why we will in suspense? Pass N 2 time. Let's say it will give you 7. It will give you 2 time.
Okay.
Because it is searching for that text only, particularly. Because see, here we getting capital also. Correct? So how many time you getting that if you will add one more time in? So now what will be the output? Output will be 7th here. Because one I added N. Let's save. See that 7th came. Means total length become increase. So it's not going to take care regarding the word this, that, nothing. It will just consider how many characters are there. Got it? Clear? Or anyone having doubt? Had anybody joined who I had?
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
Oh,
Sir,
nobody
I
joined, man.
understood another thing.
I think both guys were
I
sleeping.
property and GI property.
Yeah.
Sir,
So don't
she is thinking
understand.
like that yesterday you said regarding replace.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So now
Since you
see.
take example of Ramu and so on.
So now clear, Shivani.
Just forget Ramu and so on. Now you concentrate.
Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So move to next. Fine. So move next. Matching. Be passing here regular expression we will learn. Don't worry. So next We already check this one, case sensitive. Fine. Yeah. Now JavaScript include method. See, many persons are just thinking like office type of meeting. They just done the call and they're sleeping.
No, sir, we are not doing like this, sir.
From tomorrow, I will do the same thing. Just now I done that. No.
You,
Nobody
so
had joined
you are
still.
also going to sleep, sir.
Yeah, I will
Samir,
also
that's
sleep.
why sir don't kick you.
Okay, okay.
See that I had kicked those guys not came still because they were sleeping. See that Abhishek is not there and Vivekanand is not there. Still they are not. So we can
Sir,
easily predict whether okay. So
once you kick
yeah,
out, then again he can able to log in or not, sir.
yeah, he can join, but they are sleeping. That's why he don't know whether I have to means whether I am available there or not. Let's wait.
Okay. They are another planet, sir. Leave it, sir.
Okay. So what we going to search? We going to search include method. What it will do? It will search whether this word is available in that or not. So let's see. The include method returns true if a string contains a specific value. Means if we searching world, okay, and if this sentence is containing world, then it will return you true. Otherwise, return you false. Let's do that. If I not want to make one variable, how I can get the output in console? Tell me. With this line of code, where I have to make modification. Shweta? Where I have to make modification if I not want to make one variable, extra variable.
We can pass console.log. Console.log
Okay.
inside we can pass text.in.
Okay,
Sir,
got it.
within
So
console log, you have
completely
to pass that line number
like this way.
28.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So we
Yes, sir.
can do this way also. So now see, it searched world and it got do one thing. Pass here as or anything. Worlds. Let's say we not got that one. So that's why it given return means false. Got it?
False, yes.
So it will
Yes,
search
sir,
you,
yes, sir.
and if you will got, it will give you the value. If not, it will return you false. That's it. So next, a string dot includes search value and a start. It will be like a starting position. Okay. So now check that. Now pass another parameter. Oh. Okay. So yeah, what we want, want to first check whether it again what it is accepting. So let's see include method. Search a string and what is written here in the second position, and in the position you can take care this thing interrogative. Interrogative means optional, means this again the position is optional. Do one thing, pass a position comma and pass don't pass 5. Let's start searching. It will do the same thing where it's like index of and one more, I think. Yeah, in index of we had passed the parameter. So same thing it will do. It will search the world. From which letter world is available actually? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is available on 6. So up to 5, it's fine. Let's pass 6. Let's save. What happened? It's true. Fine. Let's pass
Just pass
7
7.
and save. So
False.
it become false. Clear? It
Yes,
starts
sir, yes,
searching
sir.
world, but it when it not getting, it giving you false. Clear? Or any having any issue?
Sir, it's searching full world, sir.
What?
Sir, it's searching a full world, like world
No,
is there.
yeah. No. It again searching same type. Same type in the sense starting index itself. Because see, I told position number 7th. Correct? And this one is available. W is available at position number 6. Correct? That's why B not get. Means on the 7th position, world will not start because W is at the 6th position, but be telling to search from the 7th. That's why we got the error.
After
Clear?
7, one W is there, na sir?
Here is the W. But we
Well,
are telling to, one second, be telling to search a world, not a W.
oh, okay, sir.
Afroz, we are not searching welcome. We are searching world.
We are not searching one word like
Yeah.
W. Okay, sir.
Yeah, we are searching the complete. Okay, so here we had taken that. Okay, fine. So here we taken a start and it returning the true or false. It's let it to be fine. Then check if a string include world search at position 12. We had passed that and it's okay. Browser support include. Okay, so browser, see, many browser not supporting the new feature of ES6. Okay, like includes, what is the position? It is supported in all browser. Include is not supported in the Internet Explorer. So see, everyone have Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer, this one. So if you will run the same code in this one, then maybe it will not give you the output. Let's say I had not checked still. Let's do check one time. What it giving? Yeah, that's why we are mostly while developing time also you will work on that Chrome browser. Go in console. How to get console? I don't know this one. Inspect. Okay. Had anybody opened this one?
No, sir.
So we not got any issue here, even the data itself. Let's do one thing. Includes, okay. Second parameter, I don't know whether include is working or not. Do one thing. Comment, check whether we getting any data. String don't length. Let's save. Yeah, it given something. It given length equal to, this is length value. The code at this page disabled back and forward caching. Okay. Navigation occurred. Okay. Then 1.html length it giving 37, I think. Line number 66. I don't know, man, what is this one? Let's verify in the Chrome. Yeah, 37. So this is the value. Fine. Do one thing. Now came to our, do this one. Let's save. Here it given false. What about here? It given something. 1 second. What happened? Oh, debugger started. So see, object does not support the property or method includes. Got it? So many browser it will not means support. So you will not get the output. So that's why we will always try on the Google Chrome. It will support you all the method. Okay, next I start with what it will do. I start with the method return true if a string begins with a specified value, otherwise false. It's same like which one? Include. Correct. Because include also going to search which is matching one. It will do the same thing. Before break, I have to complete this. Then only I will give break. Now save and now check. So what happened? We got this hello. Somewhere it is available. That's why we got that. Otherwise, pass S or G anything. If not, then it become false. So I start with and this JavaScript include method. It returning the same thing, true or false. Correct or not?
Sir.
Now it doing the same thing. Now see, I start with it returning false. It returning false. 1 second. Yeah, give the position. Let's see some position also. This one having. Let's do one thing. put the cursor. Let's see this method information here itself. So it also accepting position. You can pass the position also. So pass comma, give 5. Let's see, you will get false because we start searching from 5, but hello is at the 0th position itself. Save. What happened? 0, 1. What? Oh, sorry. I searching for G. Hello G. That's why we not getting. Pass 0. It will give value. Correct? Because on the 0th it is available, but when we passing 1, it will search. It will not get. That's why we getting false. So this start with and include both are doing the same task, but sure something issue will be. What is written here? A start with method is case sensitive. Okay, it not supporting in the Internet Explorer. Then next a string end with. Okay, it will search the ending one. Let's do this also. Now I think you got the idea what this will do. You got the idea what it will do.
It will search last index, sir.
Yes, you can show last index answer given true, otherwise false.
So let's see. Sorry. Let's save and check. So we got a true end with means okay, pass something. Now we got false because a text dot end with. Just see this whatever method is available. See this is just like simple English. End with means this text is ending with the word doi, but it's not there. That's why we getting false. Clear? These some methods you can keep in mind. Nobody asking this much. These all somewhat end with and this, but start with then include method. Yeah, they are means everybody asking those. Then here we can pass search value and length also. Okay, let's say pass this one. That is something interesting. It's not taking the position. Take value. What is this? 1. What it's taking actually? It's taking end position. Okay. So let's pass 5. Save. What are you thinking? What will be position for this one? Pass here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What will be position? Can anyone tell me? End with
Sir, 3.
7, 8. 5 it not taken. 5 it giving false.
4, sir.
Pass 4 it giving false. Pass 7. Let's see. It giving false. Pass 8. It giving true. Got it? What happened?
Yes, sir.
Because after 7 the text become finished. Okay, and what we are searching, we searching end with means on the 8th position the text become finished. That's why we got a true. Clear? So this end with position, it taking not the starting position, it taking the ending one. Pass 9. 9 you will not get anything. It will be false because text is not there. Oh, then also it giving you means after 8 you will get that. Means whatever last value it will give you. Otherwise, if you taking previous one, it will give you error.
Past 20,
Got
sir.
it?
What happened?
Then also it will give you true. Pass at 200 also it will give, because after that it got finished. That is the thing. Okay. Next. So see here, maybe that will be. See, check in the 11th. First character of a string end with word. Okay. That's searching process. End with message. It is also case sensitive. So please take care. Now next, template literal. This is very easy. We already covered. Let's see what is this one. So template literal, template string, string template, backtick symbol. So template literals use backtick symbol. Already we had used from the starting itself how to use backticks. Let stu data equal to pass backticks and pass something. this is my name, like this way. Fine. So with the help of backtick also we can make a string. Second, we can, yeah, if you have to pass something inside double quote, single quote, you can pass that. Suppose my name, after that itself I have to pass Ramu, then we can pass anything, single quote, double quote, whatever we want. But why not getting as console? Let log console stu studata. Okay, so that become with the single quote. Same thing we can do with the double quote. So inside the backtick symbol we can pass whatever we already we had seen. Now if you want to make line break, what you thinking? We will get data also in the second line, or it will be same as it is?
It will get data in the second
It
line.
will get data means like a same type, correct? So let's
Yes.
see. string, a string. So where is the console? So see what happened. A student is not defined. Where that is? Oh, that is text. Okay. So what happened? What is this? It's look like which tag of HTML?
Pre tag,
The
sir.
pre.
Pre tag. So
Yes.
whatever we will
Yes.
write with a backtick symbol means backtick symbol, it will come in the same shape. Okay. Next, interpolation. What is this? Template editor provides an easy way to interpolate variable and expression. Yeah. So already we had seen for variable passing. See this, welcome, and this one. We know or not? You have to pass let name equal to Mohan. So how you will pass this Mohan variable?
Console.log name pass.
So we will take here Mohan. How we will take dollar and this one and name. Let's say big. Oh, what happened? Oh, wait. Save. Now we got the variable means value. This is my name and this become Mohan. Mohan is coming from the variable part. This thing already we had seen from the starting itself. So this way we can pass, and this itself is known as interpolation. In Angular we will learn this process itself. This is known as interpolation in Angular also. This is the way of getting data. Means a name, whatever you learning in JavaScript, the name is also same. So automatic replacing the variables with a real value is called the string interpolation. Definition is same. Interpolation. Nobody asking this thing in JavaScript, but in Angular they are asking what is interpolation. Okay. Next, expression substitution. If you have different expression and if you want to add, you can pass that with the help of a backtick symbol and variable. If you want to do some calculation, as like here, something that going to do some operation, you can do that. Like let price equal to something, VAT equal to something, total price equal to. Let's take console.log. Yeah, TO total. So see what it will do. Total. After that, due to dollar, it will take the variable part. And see this bracket, this parenthesis, this will do all the operation. Don't worry regarding that two fixed. What is this? We will discuss. So they will do all the operation. Means price will be take from the variable part. Then one is already hard coded. VAT it will take from the variable and it will do that all operation. It will calculate the VAT. Total 12.50. So whatever operation you have to do, you can pass that. And what means see, with the help of two fixed, up to what decimal value you want the value. So pass a 5 up to that decimal value, it will give you the result. See, after decimal, total 5 digit. I want only one. Let's pass you will get after decimal only 1. So with the help of a two fixed method, it will work after decimal. Means up to how much digit you want, as like your percentage, 55%, 55.44, like that. So I want up to 2 digit. You can get like this way. Clear? So next HTML template. So here header, something tag. What is this all?
Sir, I am not getting
HTML.
this. Hello,
Which one? Yeah. Which one?
sir.
Two fixed.
56 lines. Yeah.
Yeah, two fixed. Okay, wait. Suppose you have to show percentage. Oh, is this me too? Then why Roshan? Why not a spoken? Let PERCENTAGE percentage value equal to. I take n percentage value equal to something. Take that. My percentage is I passing here variable. Got it? And I taking some PERC T. This is my variable. I passing here. Let percent equal to calculate that variable itself. How to calculate variable? Total marks. Suppose that total marks you have 100 divided by 500. Is this pass or fail?
Fail, sir.
Don't blame me whether you make me fail. Okay, so what we got? We got percentage is 0.4. Let's do something here.
So
20.
take this in bracket.
Which one?
20 divided by 500. Take this in bracket and multiply by 100.
It. It given you 100.
Sir, take 200, not 200 divide.
Okay. I want decimal value, means very long, and to go like this way. Okay. It not giving you the decimal itself.
Sir,
Okay.
So for decimal value,
Sir, in place of
denominator take.
you can take 7, sir. It will give.
Later we will come on that.
Already one value, sir. It will take us decimal value.
See, what we doing here? What you got here? 12.50. Fine. Let's remove this one. What is the value? 12.5. Correct. I want that decimal value something, but I want up to like a 2 digit of decimal. Now it's showing 12.5. I want to show 12.50, like that way. Got it? So we will pass here one method dot to fixed. Clear? And this you have to pass. We will learn this thing in upcoming. So we will pass here up to decimal, means after decimal. How many digit you want? Praful, how many digit you want? 2 digit, 3 digit,
Sir,
5.
five.
How many?
Yeah, sir. Got it, sir.
5.
5 after digit come. Means
Yeah. So if I pass here 5, so see after decimal up to 5 value total. See this become 40 and 1 is that one. So it become 5 value. If I passing here only 3, so after decimal total 3 value will be there. Got it? So with the help of a decimal, means sorry, 2 fixed, we can get the value after decimal. How much value you want, you can get like this. Clear, everyone?
Sir?
Mostly we can. Yeah.
I am not want 0. Then, sir, I want 1, 2, 3 after 5, sir. It will only give 0.
Approach. If not giving you 0 or not giving you 1, it giving you according to your calculation. See this. See this calculation. Got it?
Sir, please change value, sir. Then it will what result I want.
Okay, what value I can pass here? Pass something. Let's see. Okay. So see, after calculation, it given you something. I don't know whether it will go what value. See, up to 9, it given you something, correct? But what I want, I not want this one. Like just imagine one thing, 22 by 7, how much? What is the value of 22 by 7?
3.14.
No, not only 1.4. It will go very lengthy.
3.1.
Do one thing. Take that const pi. Sir, why taken 1 plus bat? Oh my God, that is just a calculation. Wait, Sweta. Pi equal to 22 divided by 7. Sweta, is this clear? 22 by 7.
3.14285714285.
Now take log and pi and save. What you got here value? 3.144 something. But what value we are keeping always in mind? 3.14. Correct? Correct or not? So how we will get only 2 decimal? Now pass here. Sir, I have go for dinner. Just give me 1 minute. So this I had done, and I want only 2 value. 2 fixed I will pass, and here I will pass how much digit you want after decimal. I want 3 decimal, 3 digit. I got 3 value. I want only 2 value. I want only 2 value. Got it?
Got it, sir.
I also सब्जी खत्म हो जाता है. Okay, clear? Do one thing. Everyone, oh my God, what happened this Telegram? Everyone, you can go for dinner. We will meet at exact 9 o'clock. I will not wait for